All day in court in the Chad Daybell murder trial, jurors saw graphic images of the remains of two children. Chad Daybell is accused of killing. This specialist Daniel Woodruff in Boise right now with the latest.
These images caused some jurors to cry and blink back tears. Several of them were visibly and openly distraught and emotional over what they were seeing. These pictures were only shown to the jury, not to the public or to anybody viewing this trial on the live stream. Jurors saw pictures from the autopsies of J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan after their remains were found buried in Chad Daybell's Idaho yard back in June 2020. A forensic pathologist on the stand testified that Tylee's remains had been dismembered and set on fire, while JJ was shown still wearing his red pajamas with duct tape over his mouth and binding his arms and wrists.
What was the cause of death of J.J. Vallow?
I determined the cause to be asphyxia by plastic bag over the head and duct tape covering the mouth.
What was your opinion concerning the cause of death of Tylee Ryan?
I determined the cause of death to be homicide by unspecified means.
The jury also heard today from other witnesses, including a detective with the Chandler, Arizona Police Department, who testified about the shooting death of Charles Vallow in 2019. Charles was the fourth husband of Lori Vallow, who later married Chad Daybell. The detective testified about phone calls and text messages that day of the shooting between Lori and Chad and others. The Chad Daybell murder trial continues here again in Boise tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. Daniel Woodruff, KSL 5 News.